Hello, and Dave, Cw K-7Nn or Whiskey Hotel 6 Gold Victor Bravo. I am going to present this new interface. It's a rift to my radio room from my friend David from the KL73.AS. It's a a small interface for connected radio equipment and acts the telegraphic key via PC. You can see the rear of the interface with the USB-C connection and the out jack 3.5 millimeters for send the signal at the equipment. In my case, it's the FTDX10, and it's the front connection. You have a 6.3 millimeters jack for connected the K and the little switch for the monitor for training the CW mode. And I'm very happy with this little interface because it's really good for training the CW. The connection for the computer is very simple, connecting direct to the PC, and created the new COM port. Sorry, the COM port number 8 in my case. It's for the future configuration on the different software. In my case, I'm using the FLdigi for using the macros for the transmission. It's very simple, and this is the settings on my software. Very good software for decoding the CW mode, and you can see all my configuration. And in the FTDX10, also, you have remember the Keller and the break-in is connected on, and this is the CW settings internal of the equipment. You can see the PC killing. Remember, you have the interface is the configuration in DTR, but you changing this possible changing with the simple jumper. Okay, this is my settings. I am running 100% with these settings. It's possible changing other thing, but for the moment, for me, it's perfect. I am using in CW mode directly, and listen and transmission is perfect. And you can see here the little contact I'm using in this case for decoding the CW schemer in the trial version for 30 days. It's very good software because the in the with the low signal, signal 2, signal 3 is decoding perfectly. In this case, I am in contact with the station from special event in Italy, and for the moment, I work at approximately 40 or 50 station on my log in CW mode with perfect. In this moment, I'm waiting for move my setting for the decoding with the FTDX10 with the internal decode of the CW mode. Okay, thank you very much to all, and for all the information you have the page, the website of my friend David, Kilo Lima 73.as, and thank you 73.